Lesson 7. Hopes and Desires. I hope we win the tournament this year. I hope we win the tournament this year. I hope so too. I hope so too. I wish it would stop raining. I wish it would stop raining. I was thinking about going to that new place. I was thinking about going to that new place. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. I trust that all will be well. I trust that all will be well. I believe things will get better. I believe things will get better. I could really use a drink right now. I could really use a drink right now. I hope she feels better. I hope she feels better. Their only desire is for a new home. Their only desire is for a new home. He's the best hope for the team. He's the best hope for the team. I keep hoping that things will get better. I keep hoping that things will get better. I have to have that car. I have to have that car. I need to be alone. I need to be alone.